Hi, I'm Martin and I'm an educator and content creator here in Austria. I do tutorial videos for over 12 years right now and I recorded a lot of them. Tutorials on YouTube, tutorials on LinkedIn Learning for other companies, and I really enjoy this process of recording my knowledge. Because with this, I can share my knowledge with people and these people will learn, these people get better, and I'm a little bit out of the game because I have recorded my knowledge and they can grow on the recordings that I have presented to them. Why that's important for you and why this will matter for you. So for example, in your company, you have processes that matter. And a lot of these processes are not so easy to remember. So if you talk to company employees or to other people and explain how they should do the processes, they will remember just a fraction of this, what you have explained. That's a fact. And then they have to come back to you and ask, if they come and ask, if they don't understand the process. But if you do the recording, if you do a tutorial and record all the steps, all the crucial parts of the processes, they can watch this tutorial and then they know how to do all they have to do. And the best part of this is they can watch it over and over again. They can watch it in their pace and they grow, and with the singular people, the company knowledge will grow as well. And you don't have to teach them over and over again in a one-by-one scenario. So if you want to free a lot of time right now, go over to www.martindörsch.com and there you will find how you can share your knowledge with others, how you can create tutorial videos, and I would recommend to start right now to free a lot of your time.